Hello everyone, I am Dr. Akansha and I am here to deal with all your health issues, all your pregnancy issues and all your queries related to women's health. Now today I'll be continuing with the topic of sex during pregnancy. Yes, we'll be looking for various benefits of sex during pregnancy. You definitely have various benefits if you do sex during pregnancy. Let us see what are them. When you have sex, there is increase in blood supply in your body, and this increased blood supply ultimately goes to your uterus, it goes to your baby. So there is increase in supply of the nutrients and oxygen in your baby, and it helps in growth and development of your baby. Isn't it interesting that sex during pregnancy helps in growth and development of the baby? Yes, obviously it is. Second thing is that when you have regular sexual activity, your pelvic muscles remain contracted, they are toned up, your thighs remain strong, and these things basically helps you in pushing during normal vaginal delivery. So you are basically preparing yourself for normal vaginal delivery, and there is a higher chance of normal vaginal delivery if you have strong pelvic muscles. Third thing is that when you have regular sexual activity, particularly in the second half of the pregnancy, your pelvic muscles remain contracted. And second thing is that when men ejaculates, in their semen there is substance known as prostaglandin, which helps in slow and partial dilatation of the cervix. So when you have regular sexual activity, you have a higher chance of getting spontaneous onset of the labor. And any labor which starts spontaneously, which starts naturally, obviously has a favorable outcome. You have higher chance of getting normal vaginal delivery. Chances of cesarean sections are reduced in the labor which gets started spontaneously. Third thing is that when you have sex, there is a hormone called endorphin which is released in your body, which helps to elate your mood. So you remain happy, you are stress free, you don't have anxiety, you don't have mood swings, you remain happy, you remain cheerful throughout your pregnancy. This also helps you to sleep better, you have good sleep, and so you are always refreshed during pregnancy. Another very interesting thing is that when you have sex during pregnancy, a hormone called oxytocin is released in a small amount, which is also known as love hormone. So when you have sex, oxytocin is released, and which helps in bonding, creating bonding with your husband. So you remain connected to your husband, you remain bonded to your husband. In fact, sometimes you feel that you have started loving your husband more than your pre-pregnancy level. Another very interesting thing is that when you have regular sexual activity, there is a release of antibody known as Ig antibody, which is helpful in boosting your immunity. So your immune system is boosted. Actually, what happens in pregnancy, usually immune system is suppressed, slightly suppressed than in the pre-pregnancy level. So when this Ig antibody is increased, your immune system gets boosted, so you don't fall sick and you have lesser of flu and various other viral fever. Another very good thing is that during pregnancy, especially in the second half of the pregnancy, because of increased abdominal pressure, you have a lot of urinary problems, like sometimes you might have urge incontinence, sometimes you have leakage of urine during sneezing or coughing. So when you have sex, your pelvic muscles remain contracted, so you have lesser of these urinary problems. Your urine system is basically controlled and well regulated. Another important thing is that your self-esteem is maintained, because what happens in pregnancy, your weight increases, your abdomen increases, there are a lot of physiological change in your skin, in your breast, and because of all these, sometimes you might feel that you are not as attractive, as impressive as in the pre-pregnancy level. So if you do sexual activity, engage in sexual activity, and you are connected, you are bonded with your husband, your confidence is maintained up, your self-esteem is maintained up, you feel good. Now coming to the most important benefit of sex during pregnancy is that during pregnancy, estrogen progesterone level is increased, and because of increased hormones, more blood supply is increased to the pelvic area, breast and clitoris, and so because of increased blood supply, these areas become more sensitive. And you also have increased vaginal secretion during pregnancy. So because of increased sensitivity and increased vaginal secretions, you have better orgasm, you enjoy your sex better, and this is obviously the most important benefit. And not only pregnancy, even after delivery you have a speedy recovery if your pelvic muscles are contracted. You have lesser of postpartum complications. So my message to all lovely couples is that you can definitely have sex during pregnancy, you can enjoy your pregnancy, except for few complications which I discussed in my last video. So enjoy your pregnancy, have a safe, blessed and happy pregnancy. Do like it, share it and subscribe this video if you liked it, and do message me in the comment box about your views, about your queries, and do message me also if you like this video. In next video, we'll be discussing about various positions which you should use in pregnancy and the position which you should not use in pregnancy. So do wait for that video. Keep your notification on. Okay, take care. Bye bye.